So, how to create and send invoices to clients using Zapify.io. So, let's go to payments, then invoices, and then click new, search, select the contact that you want to bill. So, select type of invoice. So, and then search and select the contact that you want to bill. Add your products or services, then set the due date and customize the invoice message. After that, click send and the client will receive the invoice via email with a payment button.